Hi students, welcome back to your study circle. Today we are discussing about coordinate covalent bond with an example. What is coordinate covalent bond? Here the coordinate covalent bond means it is a dative bond. It is a special type of covalent bond where one atom can donate both electrons for sharing. Okay, na? It forms bond between a Lewis base and Lewis acid. What is Lewis acid and Lewis base? Lewis acid means an electron pair donor with a lone pair, or Lewis acid means electron pair acceptor with an empty orbital. Here the Lewis base having the electron pairs donates and it also having the lone pair of electrons. And next here the Lewis acid. The Lewis acid having it can accept the electron pairs and also having an empty orbitals. Here bond formation. The donor atom share its lone pair of electrons with an acceptor atom forming the shared pair and represented by an arrow pointing from donor to acceptor. Here example means ammonium ion and NH4 plus ion Here ammonia having 3 bond pairs. Here 3 bond pairs means here hydrogen is having bond pair and next this hydrogen is having bonded to nitrogen. These are hydrogen also bonded to nitrogen. These 3 bonds are known as bond pairs and it will be having a lone pair of electrons. 2 electrons is there. These electrons are called as lone pair of electrons. Here these lone pair of nitrogen having the lone pair of electrons. These lone pair of electrons when reacted with empty orbital, it means here the hydrogen H plus ion acts as an Lewis acid. Why? It is having an empty orbital. That's why this H plus ion acts as an Lewis acid. This ammonia having the nitrogen it will act as an Lewis base. It can donate its lone pair of electrons towards the empty orbital of hydrogen H plus ion. This H plus ion is filled with these 2 electrons and it will forms the ammonium ion. Here the nitrogen having the 4 bond pair of electrons, it can obeys the octet rule. 8 electrons is there. Here H plus and H4 plus ion is formed. This is an ammonium ion. Here these 3 are bond pairs and next another H plus ion bond and 2 hydrogen formed bond is represented by an arrow mark. This is called as coordinate covalent bond. Finally, what is coordinate covalent bond means? Here the nitrogen atom only it can donate its electrons towards the another atom. That's why this is an only one electron can donate it both electrons to another electron. This is called as coordinate covalent bond. Thank you students.